Hello, beautiful brothers and sisters. Welcome back again to another video. As always, I hope you guys are having a very beautiful day today, and it's just amazing. It's so amazing to see life clear and be able to stay present. In this video, let's really dive into the essence of being here. So, whatever was going on throughout your day, you can put a pause on it for right now. So just for this video, put a pause on it. If you want to later go back to it, trust me, the mind's gonna, you know, it's gonna make its way back in for sure. But for a second, let's put a pause on whatever's going on, whatever's happening, whatever was happening. Just allow yourself to just be present, for you to be relaxed, for you to just be able to breathe, for you to be able to not just be thinking of the next moment, tomorrow, yesterday, anything in general. Just come to this moment right now. Allow yourself to be witness of your breath, be witness of the room you may be in, the space you may be in, the sounds that you might be hearing. Just allow yourself to remain in the present moment and take some deep breaths. Take some deep breaths. Come to this space of not needing to do anything, not needing to be anything. Just pure self being self. Once you begin to strengthen this state of observing, this state of just being, it's like working out. And as you begin to work out, you strengthen your muscles. Of course you're gonna get sore. So that's what happens with your mind. It's like you're starting to pull the attention and gravitate to being present, but then the mind starts to get irritated. The mind, you start to feel like if you're feeling anxiety or just discomfort within your body. And what that really is just your body wanting to mold itself back to the habits. It's your mind's wanting to pull back to taking over and giving you never-ending stream of thoughts and all of that. So the pains are just the resistance that's created from you pulling back and the mind. So that's all it's gonna be happening for, it could be for a couple minutes, it could be for, a couple days or a couple weeks, depending on how much you practice being present. The more you practice being present, you build momentum, and it is easier and easier. And then it's like a snowball effect. All of a sudden, you're just in this big momentum wave of pure love, pure spirit, pure consciousness. And then everything starts to synchronize. Everything starts to, the law of attraction starts to serve you, because your subconscious and your conscience and your whole being is, it's being what it's supposed to be. And you're attracting what you're supposed to attract. And there's no blockages. There's no restriction. So, the love you're supposed to get, you will get. The energy, anything in general. But more than that, your conscience, your true self remains always present. And everything else that you experience in the physical world just becomes a manifestation of you being your true self, you being your highest spirit, your full potential. And all the physical stuff that usually the mind gives attention to somehow just starts to work out. Trust the process. Like I said in the last video, God and the universe is here to help you. It's here to support you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. Everything is here at your service. It's here And when, like in the Bible it says, like, pray and ask and you shall receive. Ask and you shall receive. Well, you're asking by just allowing yourself to now be in the space of your lower conscience ego, and you're asking. That's the asking. When you are in your state of pure consciousness, that is the state that you're. That's the asking without you needing to like verbally ask for something. You being in that state is like asking to, you know, experience divine uh, love. You being in that space of clarity is you. It's more than just asking. You're actually in the flow, and it's like even people that ask for finances, money is just energy. It's currency, and currency is current, like the current, like the water current in a stream. So it's energy that is current. You have to allow yourself to be that energy frequency flowing, and you create that currency, and then all the other stuff just piles on top of that and becomes at one with that. So much love, so much blessings to everybody. Keep pushing on, keep um, being your true self and not holding back anything you wish to say, because whatever you need to say, someone needs to hear that. Someone needs to um, be a part of that, so that way they can click and the light bulb can turn on, and we all mirror each other. So you're not just doing it for yourself, you end up being a catalyst to others. So hope everybody's having a good day. So much love, so much blessings, and namaste, peace be with you.